Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I got this pickle from Buffalo. And then I got these 3 dumplings, RMS. So we're gonna see what's inside them. This one up first. My sister's opening hers back there. It's being really loud.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I really want this galaxy. And another one.
Oh my god.
They're rare. Does it smell?
My sister got the rare one. It's crazy.
Not a lot. It kind of just smells like cold. Can I have it? Can I have it? I got the rare.
This is insane. Yes. I don't know if I can open this on camera. I'll let you guys know so you guys can smell. Okay guys, I got it open. Now, you ready? I got the 2 one. Oh my gosh guys, I love the smell. Now I don't want any juice.